Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to slay another lace front install. Now, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, girl. What are you waiting on? And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will have everything linked in the description box. So let's jump straight into it. I was sent this wig by Elva Wigs. Now this is a lace front. It does come with lace in the front and in the back. This is a pre-plucked water wave that comes with 4 combs. Now this is a 14-inch 150% density. It does say bleached knots, but I really don't think that the knots are bleached. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it on my head just to see what I'm working with. Now you guys can see that the hairline is definitely thinner than the rest of the wig, so I would say it is definitely pre-plucked. So I am assessing to see if I need to cut anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and secure my wig like I always do, using my Got To Be Glued gel and my Got To Be Glued spray. Now I am trying a new method, you guys. Normally I cut my lace off before I secure my wig, but this time I'm going to leave the lace on and secure the wig with that. So I am using the same techniques as always, using my blow dryer to make that gel tacky, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace. So I like to put a layer of Got To Be Glued spray over that gel and then go ahead and apply that lace front.
They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do.
So I'm going to go ahead and go over that with my blow dryer just to make sure that it does in fact secure to my head. And I am going to grab my comb and just make sure I'm pressing down every area so I don't have any lifting whatsoever. So I know you guys can see some white. I do like to take a baby wipe and just wipe away any type of white residue. You don't press it really hard into your skin to where your lace will lift, but you just rub it against that area to get that glue or that gel off. So now it's time to tie that down just to make sure that lace is secured, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows so I won't be looking crazy. And let's go ahead and cut this excess lace off.
I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No.
So now I'm going to spray light amounts of Got To Be Glued spray across my lace, because as I cut the lace, it kind of lifted up at the very edge. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that and tie that down one more time. Alright, so now we are looking pretty good. Everything is secure. We don't have to worry about any lace sticking up. So now it is time to make some baby hairs. If you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to make them, but I am. So I did do a full tutorial on how I did create these baby hairs, you guys. So if you are interested, make sure you check out that video. I will link it down below or up above. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my finished product after I did my baby hairs. So now we want to go ahead and set those hairs. I'm just going over with a light spray and tying that down again for the last time.
Always cute for that beat again.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one.
Okay, you guys, so at this point I have went ahead and did the rest of my makeup. I have sprayed this hair, and now I am camouflaging my lace, any of my unbleached knots, and I am just making sure everything looks natural. So I am using my foundation powder, and I'm just going through and melting that lace into my skin, just camouflaging anything that I don't like, those white residue marks, anything that makes this look unrealistic.
Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they won't ever love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she
guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in this makeup look, I do have a tutorial on this look as well as these baby hair tutorials. So I will link everything down below and up above. And please don't forget to comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
'Cause I'm on